Yeah, guys, I'm here with my brother's GLI. We're gonna be installing the ignition coils and the spark plugs. You gotta take this switches and then this ignition coils, so like this. These are the new ones right here. See, this one's a whole lot better than this one's. You guys can see the difference. Just look at the old ones. They're pretty rusty. Look at the new ones. Really nice. Take this one's for now. Shit. Take this one. Just for a safety reason, I disconnected the battery. I'll just do it. I don't know if it has any purpose to it, but I did it anyway. Guys, I love this car. It's really nice. Let me do a walk around so you guys can see it. It's pretty dirty. Yep. I like it. Really nice. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, and here's the spark plugs. I'm gonna try this one. Well, my brother's gonna try this one and see if he likes them. If not, he's gonna be switching to the other ones. But they're the MGKR laser platinum. So we're gonna be throwing this spark plugs and these ignition coils. So we're gonna see how it performs with this one, and we'll give you guys an update and see if they work. If they work, we'll let you know. And for y'all MK4 guys out there, we're gonna be showing you guys and see if they work. If they work, we'll let you know. If and see if we get any performance gains from just this ignition coils and the spark plugs. First of all, they're the 2.0T coil ignition coil packs. So they're from the 2.0Ts. And for any of y'all who are trying to know how much they cost, it was like 150 something. Hurry up, man. brother's gonna take us for a ride and see if we see any performance gains. So let's get it. Quick update, guys. My brother also decided to do the oil change, so we got the car jacked up, and we're gonna do it. We need the oil change. Yeah. Oil change right here. We're doing Mobile 1 extended performance, full synthetic, of course, and we're also doing a K&N filter. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Let's get it. Any difference? A little pull? Shit! Holy shit, bro! That shit pulls! Hell yeah! This motherfucker pulls, man. So, yeah, that's the spark plugs like mixture. Oh shit! You guys good have no idea. That evil right there. It's a Raleigh art, bro. You didn't want bro, he's coming, bro. Get it, bro. You don't want you wanna get gapped, bro? You wanna get gapped? Wait for him, wait for him. It's coming, bro. No. Switch over, switch over. Wait for his ass. Hi, boy! Oh, he just got gapped. Look at him. That's not evil, that's a Raleigh, bro. I don't care, bro. You get gapped. Look at that, it's 2K over there. But yeah, guys. Thing pulls, man.